In this video, I will be restoring these storm blue ones. As you can see, they are very dirty on the uppers, as well as the midsole, as well as the sole, and the midsoles could use an unyellowing. We will start by giving these a quick clean using Rejuvenator's products, starting with the soft bristle brush to clean up the uppers. And then we'll use the medium bristle brush for the midsoles. And then the stiff for the soles. As you can see, the midsoles are still slightly yellow, so we will give them an unyellowing session using our solution. And here are the results from the quick clean and midsole unyellowing.